So, auto parts production. This video is continuation of my video series about manufacturing in Georgia. I'm talking about some of the government-supported priority manufacturing sectors, and today I will be talking about auto parts production, automotive production. I will talk about benefits a little bit later, but let's first overview Georgian manufacturing sector and concentrating on auto parts production. If you are someone who does not know history of Georgia, I can tell you that Georgia was part of the Soviet Union. When Soviet Union collapsed, Georgia struggled a lot while transitioning from centralized to decentralized market economy. You can guess it's not easy procedure. There is huge potential in Georgia auto parts production, but it's still on the baby stage. Let's start with Georgia has history of auto parts production. There was huge automotive production during Soviet Union in Kutaisi. This is the city in Georgia, which was ruined, but it's still operating because we were exporting from here through whole Soviet Union. Unfortunately, after collapse of Soviet Union, we lost lots of our factories, and right now you may face some problems with finding very high class professionals. So in Georgia, you might need to import your know-how, but you will find easily locals who want to work in this industry, medium or entry-level positions. And why should you consider Georgia? Because low cost and high support from government. Cost of production, cost of living, cost of land, cost of rent, everything is low, and it's located between Europe and Asia, right on the Silk Road. I know if you watch my videos, I talked about it a lot in my previous videos, but I want to repeat myself because some people can see just this video, it's first video that they have seen. They are keen on auto parts production, and that's why I want to repeat myself and let them know what are the main benefits of producing auto parts in Georgia. I will talk a little bit more about the benefits later, but now let's concentrate and continue our talk about auto parts sector market overview. So basically all the cars in Georgia right now are imported. We are not producing cars, but even though Georgia does not produce any auto parts, does not produce any cars, somehow Georgia managed to be an exporter of those things, exporter of the cars, exporter of the autos. How is this possible, you may wonder? Well, we are re-exporter. Georgia is import and exports. And how is it possible? Because in Georgia it's very easy to import and export. It's very easy to do business. Georgia is amongst top easiest country in the world to do business, and especially there is import tax is very low and there is no export tax. You have heard it right. You will not need to pay any export tax. You will not need to pay VAT on exported products. You will only need to pay 15% of your corporate income tax and 5% of dividend, and of course payroll tax if you employ employees. And taxation in Georgia is pretty simple, pretty easy. If you are looking for starting business in Georgia, make sure you contact me, because our company was designed to help people to invest in Georgia. We provide all-in-one support for foreigners, most reasonable and easiest and most convenient service, starting from formation, legal support, accounting, finding relevant properties. We are locals, we live here, we are young, we have energy, we can manage lots of projects for you. And if you're looking to open your manufacturing unit in Georgia, we will be more than happy to support you, because we believe in manufacturing. Georgia has lots of potential. Now let's continue our talk and talk about not the past but current auto production market in Georgia. Like I mentioned, it's a baby sector, but there are some companies that are operating in the market right now, but they produce mainly civilian hardware. It is a government-owned company, several of them, and there is Kutaisi mechanical plant manufacturer producing spare parts, but mainly for railway. There is no competition internally, and but we are not speaking here about the internal market, which is not that huge. We are speaking about access to global market. Georgia has signed free trade agreement with many countries, such as the European Union, Ukraine, Turkey, Canada, Japan, many countries. Basically, Georgia is recognized with all those countries, and when you are export products from here, all doors are open for you. So it's very easy to export, no export tax, easy procedure, strategic location. We have talked about all this. And right now I'm going to display this chart here, and you can see it's 2020 chart, the cost. And the cost, how much you can minimize your cost in Georgia. This is FTA benchmark from Financial Times, published by Financial Times. that shows the cost of production and cost of doing business in different countries, and Georgia is one of them. And another
project already has been agreed
the Georgian
upon,
government listed automotive and auto parts production as one of the priority sector, and they provide various support for those kind of companies. There's which is hurdles we are going to invest more than $3 million
aiming to produce in
Georgia,
Georgia, selling local and
kind of
European
producer
market.
up to $1.5 million, but you have to invest at least $3 million, and you have to employ 200 jobs. If your business is that huge, then you can apply for cashback. It's really huge cashback, like 1.5. All right, I think I already mentioned main benefits that you of having Georgian auto parts automotive production business in Georgia. If you have any question, if you are looking for your strategic location for your production business, please make sure you contact me. I will be glad to help you and work with you to help you with finding to starting business, providing technical advice with the help of my team, or find relevant production unit for you. So thank you for watching. Bye for now.